Aprobado na sa first reading ang gin-propose nga ordinansa ni Councilor NAVA nga i-regulate ang operasyon sa mga peryahan kag carnival sa syudad sang Iloilo, ilabi na ang ila pasilidad. Suno kay NAVA nga madamo sang mga rides, lakip na diri ang Ferris wheel, ang hindi na maayo ang kondisyon kag mahimo nga tunaan sang aksidente.
Inside, I saw the pollution very dilapidated and substandard. So I told myself, well, it's not worth, it's very risky. And it seems it is unregulated. So when I came back to work, I asked the secretariat if, although we made the codal of all ordinances,
Samtang, ginpahayag naman ni NAVA nga daw kaangay lang nga ginapagwa nga hindi kabalo maghimo sang kaugalingon nga ordinansa ang mga councilor sang syudad bangod makatatlo na kabeses nga nagdraft sang ordinansa ang city mayor's office.
there should be a separation of power between the executive and the legislative branch. This is thrice already. The other one, in fact, is already calendared for second reading, proposed by Councilor Cabaluna. That one also came from the office of the mayor. It was not made by a city councilor. It was drafted and made in the office of the mayor. Imagine. So, kay kamo sa majority, di man po ito kayo interest inyo, may mga group chat lang kamo, kung gusto ni mayor na magpagpasar sa ordinansa, either talk to Vice Mayor Lanson, secretly, balang Areo, isa or councilor, makapasadra, i-sponsoran, but not to write a letter to us, telling us, you approve this is the draft of the ordinance. This is already an encroachment of the separation of powers and telling us that as if you're not capable of doing and performing with our, well, of course, with malice towards none. Perhaps the mayor is just helping us if we look on the other side, but for a legislative branch to be spoon-fed by the executive branch, that is something that cannot be tolerated.
Kagini si Kabandarang Kim Kaluyo, nagabandera sa matudtud nga serbisyo publiko, kagkalingawan sa Iloilo. Radyo Bandera.
Ang ining balita ang ginadulong sa inyo sang DTX Coffee Mix. Himo sa natural nga sangka pareho sang amarkuso, chia seeds, sugared cane extract powder. DTX Coffee Mix. Nakakapi ka na, naka-detox ka pa. DTX Coffee Mix. Mabakal sa mga butika.